Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. Now, I've waited about 6 months to share this one with you because I wanted to actually know the results of some decisions that were made within a dealership. So about 18 months ago, a dealership signed up with us for our fixed ops training. They had actually been losing money in their service department for years. We came in and within a short period of time, we were able to make them not only profitable, but extremely profitable. We did a great job in the training end, but their team did a great job implementing everything that we taught them. 6 months into the training, they then dropped from a regular monthly fee to a maintenance fee, a very small monthly maintenance fee where we supported them in the dealership. We were only there once every couple of months, a lot of phone support throughout the week, the videos, the certification programs, and everybody was doing their job. Well, the dealership decided to cut the training out. And when we asked why, they told us because they were not doing well in their sales department. They weren't selling a lot of cars anymore, and their profits had dropped, and the dealership on a whole was cutting expenses. So they cut expenses in a department that was finally making money, that had a very small maintenance fee to us to maintain the results they were getting. Well, you know what I'm going to tell you. Those profits have vanished. Over the last 6 months, without the ongoing support, without this small maintenance fee, they have lost everything they've gained. So now not only are they not doing well in their sales department, they're now not doing well in their service department. The reason I know this is because their service manager reached out to us and asked if we could get them back on our maintenance program. And of course we said yes. But the dealership doesn't want to spend the money now because they are still in a cost-cutting mode. I don't know what to say. I'm flabbergasted. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. Because we all know that everybody does this. We cut costs to save money, and we cut it out of areas that are actually making us money. Good luck, everyone.